Welcome to this week's Cooking at Riegelmann's. Today we are in the Bosch kitchen. I've got Maryl here from Mix, and we are gonna make a gluten-free pizza. Tell me how we start.
Good. So we'll start by having our flour ready in the bowl, and then we add our yeast, sugar, and milk mixture. And then we add our eggs, 3 eggs. And then last we have a spice mixture. So we usually use oregano, thyme, garlic powder, and onion powder, and some salt and oil.
How much oil?
It's about 1.5 tablespoons.
Okay, we'll give it a whirl. Okay, so our dough is mixed.
Yes.
We don't need to let it rise.
No.
Okay, tell us the secret.
So the secret is honestly, you just take the wet dough and then you spread it out on the silpat. You don't need to let it rise. You don't need to pre-cook it.
Okay.
But 1/4 inch is a pretty good thickness.
Okay.
First, we do the sauce. So you can use any kind of sauce you want. And now I usually like to add a little bit of crushed up garlic and then your cheeses.
You've got some toppings.
All right, we've got toppings. Yeah, so let's do the pepperoni first. Okay, now let's put on the mushrooms.
Okay.
And now some onion.
And then black olives last.
That. Black olives last.
All right.
And then we're done.
So we're gonna stick this in our Bosch oven, and at what temperature for how long?
350 for about 20 minutes.
All right, we'll be right back. Our pizza's done. I smell it and I wanna eat it. Oh, looks so good.
Yes. Look at that. Looks so good.
We are gonna let somebody try this.
Would you guys like to try some pizza we just made?
Sure.
Tell us what you think.
Oh my gosh. You have to try it in order to tell. Who cooked it?
We did.
Oh, it's delicious.
He said it's delicious.
You can find the recipe at cookingatriegelmanns.com, and you can find Mix at mixmix.com. Thank you for joining us at Riegelmann's in downtown Gresham from the Bosch kitchen. We'll see you next time.
Cooking at Riegelmann's is brought to you by Riegelmann's Appliance in downtown Gresham.